Please come in. तो आसिकी अपन चेयर थी गोटे पाखे आसी पहुँचिकी जो साइड टा पाख जदि धरतु आमर 80 डोर है तो आप 80 ठिया सेठी डोर होता आप सेठी ठिया ठीक है एमती किसी ना कि चेयर राइट रे ठिया हो लेफ्ट रे ठिया हो से टेंशन मुंडर ने सेटा अच्छी अच्छी तार पाठ अच्छी बट ए सिविल सर्विस इंटरव्यू में दरकार सी अलग टाइप रो इंटरव्यू करी से बड़ा सब दरकार अछि चेयर गोटे हाथ रे धरिबो ताको टाणीबो केमती बसियो बट आमर दरकार नहीं ठीक है सर से गुडा तो यदि कहबी आपन माइंड ता सेही थरे ही प्री ऑक्युपाइड हिजो आमर परफॉर्मेंस बेस कर ओके तो कहला परे आपन ताको जहा ग्रीट करियो नमस्कार कि गुड मॉर्निंग गुड आफ्टरनून गुड इवनिंग आपन जहा डिसाइड करते सेटा कहले तापर से कहबे आपन प्लीज बी सीटेड ओके तापर जो कहते से प्लीज बी सीटेड सेकंड आरा काम आपन मत दे दीजिए ना Okay, so give us a brief introduction.
Sir, I am Harekrushna. I am from Bargarh. I have completed my schooling from Chidma Vidyalaya Raurkela. After that, I completed my intermediate from Government Autonomous College Raurkela. I pursued my undergraduate degree in BSc in Agriculture from College of Agriculture, UT Bhawanipatna Sub Campus. And after that, I completed PG from Banaras Hindu University in MSc in Agriculture, Agricultural Entomology and Zoology.
Oh, so basically you have done your masters from Banaras Hindu University.
Yes, sir.
Who is the founder of BHU?
Madan Mohan Malviya.
Madan Mohan Malviya. Recently some award was given to him?
Sir, Bharat
Ratna. Okay, good. Nowadays also BHU is in news for some reason. Can you tell me why?
Yes, sir. BHU is in news for that Sanskrit teacher, something Khan. It's recently recruited as assistant professor in the arts department and Sanskrit department. He has done his PhD also in Sanskrit and he has awarded many times for this achievement. But after recruitment, some students are saying that he is Muslim, but how he can be a Sanskrit teacher, Sanskrit professor at Banaras Hindu University, and students are protesting for that.
What is your opinion on this?
No, sir. In India, like it's a secular country, so this should not be done. And in this eminent institute like BHU, this should not be done.
Okay.
Students.
So you have done in such a good institute. You have done your post-graduation, and all the agriculture in the agriculture field, so many vacancies are there. Our country needs better agricultural scientists. Why are you interested for civil services? So don't you think that if you go into agriculture, which is your domain, you can help the farmers to improve their produce and improve their lifestyle?
Yes, sir, definitely, sir. I have, sir, completed my MSc degree from agriculture, but although I can directly in department also in agriculture field in research purpose, I can contribute to farmers and increase the productivity or increase the background of the country by contributing them. But in civil services, I think I can directly come in contact with people and I try to solve their problems or in like contribution in agricultural field, like the distress cell or the productivity is day by day decreasing as agricultural land is constant and the agricultural marketing is a problem now. Mandis are very less. Mandis are not opening and there is surplus production in district like Bargarh, Sambalpur and Kalahandi, etc. So I think I can, sir, contribute in this areas.
Okay. So for this exam, what are your optionals?
Sir, my optional was agriculture and forestry.
Agriculture and forestry?
Yes.
Okay. Agriculture is your domain, that is fine. Why forestry?
Sir, many of the courses completed covered in under forestry, like the genetics, the plant biotechnology portion, and the technical engineering portion. some of the portion as it is covered under the same syllabus, so I preferred forestry with agriculture.
Okay. तो एथरे आपण एमती भी कोइ परिबे कि लाइक हां आपण तो सब्जेक्ट रो रिलेटेड आपण प्रीवियस to tell them that you have analyzed the pattern the previous year रो questions syllabus and marks देखि कि भी सेटा चूज कर सकते.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. And what is your service preference in this exam?
Sir, my first preference is OS, after that OFS, and after that OPS.
OS?
OS, Financial Service, and after that
OPS.
Police Service.
So you have taken OS first, right?
Yes, yes.
So can you tell me what is the rank structure of the OS? How many ranks are there within OS?
No, sir.
So let me podi debe matter patti debe 5 ranks are there. Okay. So in the initial entry level rank, what are the posts you will get?
Block level.
Yes, that is one. Then you can become a tahsildar. Okay. You can also become deputy collector. Okay. Additional sub collector. Many others are there, right?
Yes.
Under secretary to RDC, or many others are there. But mainly these four you should remember, because they are most numerous in the posts. So, Tehsildar, BDO, Deputy Collector, Additional Sub Collector.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. Can you tell me the difference between the work of a BDO and a Tehsildar?
Yes, sir. Tahsildar particularly deal with revenue collections, the Jami Patta and the revenue person, like he is the executive magistrate of that means allotted Tahsil. And the block development officer, his work or her work is to implement the government policy, and he is directly participate with the policy execution, formulation and implementation of that policy.
Okay. So let us start with your optionals first. So first you have taken forestry, right? Tell me something about what you mean by silviculture.
So silviculture is the study of forest trees.
Forest trees.
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me something about the silviculture of sal?
So sal is a perennial tree. It is used as wood. In wood industry purpose it is used. So it takes for seedling raising it takes 3 to 4 months 4 months to raise the seedlings. After that in the nursery stage the care and maintenance is must, as the seedlings are very much affected by the diseases like seedling rot, and after that the transplanting is done within the 6 to 12 months. After transplanting in a row, the proper spacing is maintained, and the after maturation period particular girth, after attainment of particular girth, it is finished.
Okay. So there are various methods of silviculture. Have you heard about shelter wood system?
Yes, sir, I have heard about shelter.
What is shelter wood?
So shelter wood system means the two types of tree species are there.
Mm-hmm.
For example, one is taller and one is shorter. In the two row of taller trees, one tree which do not require the shade of sunlight more, it is grown as a shelter crop. The system is called shelter road system.
Okay. What do you mean by social forestry?
Social forestry is the forestry including the society, as the term says. The particularly the village people who are residing in the locality or the area, we include them to come up and take care of the forest trees, so that it is a mutual benefit. It can benefit by them providing timber, forest, the forest product, etc. And also forest forest can protect them from the natural disaster like flood and other natural disasters.
Okay. So, what is meant by joint forest management?
Joint forest management also constitute the technicalities between the forest department and the societal forest, means the society or the group residing or the tribal forest, tribals living in the forest. So it is benefited for the forest department and also the means, tribal people, as the forest department means awarded with the work for the taking care of the forest, and they need the personnel and the management also to take care of it in the particular duration and protect it. And if it is in constitution with the local tribal or the social people, then it is benefited for both the side, as they don't have any means they don't require any man personnel to handle it, and also the people get benefited by directly contributing it. And in this, the first and foremost thing is that the local people are so much interested to conserve their protest, as they are since long years ago, means since the origin they are living with them, and they respect them and they want to conserve them all.
Okay. Good. So, coming to Odisha, which part of Odisha do you belong to? Which is your home district?
Western Odisha, sir.
District, you know.
Barkat district.
Barkat, you said, huh? Okay. So, can you tell me what is the forest cover in Barkat?
Sir, near about 400 hectares.
Percentage of total land?
Percent.
What is the, generally, what is the acceptable forest cover of a state? What percent of total area?
33%.
33.
Yes.
What is for Odisha? It is more than 33 or less than 33?
I think so.
More than. But get the details, okay? So Bargad, why it is called Bargad? I mean, what is the
So the traditional name was Baghar Kota. From that word it is derived as Bargad. And Raja, I cannot recall that Raja name. That Raja was
Baldev.
Baldev, I think.
Okay. Go through that. Okay. So tell me something about the geography and the society, the major tribes in Bargad. Okay. And also then tell me about the economy of Bargad.
Okay. So the geography constitutes nearly majorly the hills like Gandhamardan Hills and plateau area. The area belongs to northeast eastern plateau and hills area. In the geographical 10 types of division in the Odisha soil types. And after that, the tribal belongs to which mainly the soil hill constitute the Gandhamardan, means the area of the Bargad constitute the Gandhamardan hills. There is the Kong tribe, Kand are the tribes who residing there, and the socio-economic condition, each major people are dealing with the agriculture for their livelihood, and the production is also higher, and the particularly as some of the portion are means highland and lowland. In lowland portion, the majorly agriculture is done for the rice cultivation, and near about 3 times in Kharif, Rabi, and in Zaid crop they cultivate. And also the as Mahanadi Hirakud Dam is there. It is the Bargad Canal. It crosses the whole Bargad district and contributes the majorly agricultural production. So people, socio-economic conditions.
Okay. Famous tourist spots, top 3 you can say.
Nrsimhanath, that is in the Gandhamardan hills of Bargad, and after that Bhatli, for it is called as Western means Puri of Western Odisha, and Jagannath Dham is there, and Papanga hills is there, or Barapahad hills is there.
Okay. Tell me any 3 problems of your district and in the solutions to the problem?
Sir, as it is agriculturally, means majority is the agriculture, means the rice production is there. So the major problem is the marketing of the rice. As it is going on, the mandis are not opening in time, and proper the distribution of money to the farmers is not done. And when the farmer suicide is nowadays major problem, as majority of farmers suiciding. And after that these are major means poverty is also there, and after that the unequal distribution of resources means the area is particularly dominated by the business class people, but the local tribals who are residing there, they are not getting facilitated by the means, government policies, and it is.
Okay. So your other optional was agriculture, your own.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me something about the various type of subsidies related to agriculture with respect to World Trade Organization. There is something called Amber Box subsidy.
Yes, yes, sir. Amber Buck subsidy,
Blue Box.
blue bucks,
Then.
grey.
Hmm.
Three types of subsidy are there.
3.
Or four.
Okay. What it is all about?
So this is the discussion policy, means some are developed countries and some are developing countries. So when the World Trade Organization is formulated by replacing that general agreement on trade and tariff, it was decided that some of the tariff quota should be enjoyed by the developing countries, that is given by developed countries for the facilitation and equalization of the trade.
Mm-hmm. Okay, right. So, for cereals and pulses, which kind of irrigation technique will you suggest?
So cereals and pulses, flood irrigation is such.
Flood irrigation.
Yes.
Why, if we think about micro irrigation, what will be the problem?
Sir, as it is cultivated, means openly cultivated and the spacing is very less, then the micro irrigation is not suggested, as it takes means fast. Problem is the cost. Initial establishing cost is very high, and it needs spacious crops, that the pipes or the channels should be made, and within that the proper digging and establishing those particular pipes and fixing it, it requires the particular space. And as the cereals crops are means open, and 90 to 100 days to take maturation. So if you do the sprinkler irrigation or drip irrigation, it is not beneficial or not economical to the farmers.
Okay. So micro irrigation for which type of crops?
So majority fruit crops or
horticulture.
Yes, horticultural crops, fruit crops, vegetable crops, it is suggested.
What are the, can you tell me 3-4 types of forms of micro irrigation?
Sir, drip and sprinkler irrigation, sir.
These two are
Yes,
drip
these two.
and sprinkler.
Micro irrigation.
Okay. So, what are the major soil requirements, okay, for cotton crops?
Sir, black cotton soil or regular soil is required.
Regular soil is required.
Yes.
Suppose a farmer is there in an arid land,
Yes.
very less water is there. So, as agricultural, as a student of agriculture, what crops will you suggest him to grow
Sir, arid land.
in arid land?
Sir, I will suggest barley or the coarse cereal crops. I will suggest, sir, as it requires very less amount of water to grow. That is deep-rooted soil, means deep-rooted crops, which the roots goes into deep, and it helps to draw water from the deep of the soil layer.
Okay. What is CAN? with respect to agriculture?
Sir, it is crustacean acid metabolism. It is a cycle that the arid crops used to do for their survival in the drastic condition, and it is a metabolism which the plant physiology consists of.
Okay. Okay. So recently there has been a change of government in Sri Lanka. Are you aware of it? Who is the new president and who is the new prime minister?
Yes, sir. He is going to visit India, but now I cannot recall.
Okay, fine. So in United Nations General Assembly, apart from China and Pakistan, two other countries had opposed India's position in Jammu and Kashmir for diluting Article 370. Can you tell me who are they?
Yes, it is.
Turkey and Malaysia?
Turkey, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, three Odia people are now governors or lieutenant governors in India. Can you tell me the names and which state?
Yes, sir. Girish Chandra Murmu from Lieutenant General of Jammu Kashmir, and Draupadi Murmu. She is from. She is the governor of Jharkhand, and Janaki Vallabh Patnaik. Sorry, so she is Andhra Pradesh governor.
Vishwabhushan
Harichandran, sir.
Okay, fine. So, have you heard about someone called Haldar Nag?
Yes, sir. He is from. He is a great poet and awarded with Padma Shri, Bargarh district from Bijapur.
Okay. Apart from him, any two great personalities from your district?
Sir, Gangadhar Meher, he was a great poet and he contributed. He only read till class 5, but he contributed many of the Odia literature. Now people are doing PhD in on his biography or his.
Any of his famous writings that you know?
Pranaya Vallari, Kichakavadha.
Okay. Suppose your first preference of service is OS.
Yes.
So suppose you get OS, okay, and you have to select one particular officer for a job. That officer, there are two candidates for that particular job. Okay. Job is like it is for an important project.
Yes.
And first person, officer A, he is very honest, okay, very sincere,
Yes.
very punctual, very upright,
Yes.
but he is not efficient. The work which will take 1 hour, he will do it in 5 hours.
Yes.
Officer B is just the opposite. He is dishonest,
Yes.
okay, he is susceptible to corruption,
Yes.
but he does the work. He is efficient. He will do the work by hook or by crook. So, whom will you choose and why?
Sir, I will choose honest person, which means he is not, although he is not efficient, but he can do the work properly and honestly, which will be benefited to the government or it will benefit to the society. Although the work takes time, but the work can be properly done and effectively implemented. So I will choose the first one.
You choose the first one for this reason. Okay. Okay, so that will be the end of the interview. Thank you.
Thank you.